How's it going, Boys and Girls Club kids? Today, we're gonna teach you a chest pass technique. Today, I'm Coach Robert, and this is Coach Rath. And together today, we're gonna show you how to do a great chest pass, okay? The motion is still the same as a bounce pass. You're gonna step into it, knee bends at a 45-degree angle. This back leg stays extended depending on what leg you are, whether you're lefty or you're righty. You're gonna step into it and give your teammate a nice chest pass. And here we go. All right, so that was, once again, that was a chest pass. Hope you learned a lot from that. The only way you're gonna get better at it is you gotta continue to practice over and over a couple of times a day. Thank you. Leave some comments at the bottom and let us know what you think.